back to another episode of Bonus Points, and because we've been doing a lot of Breaking Bad videos, I decided to switch things over and start doing stuff on video games. So, first we got Puppeteer. I had a little playthrough with that. I will apologize in advance because there's a lot of, not shaky cam, but it kept on zooming in and out for some reason. So, hopefully you enjoyed that small playthrough. I think it's a great game. It's $40. Yeah, go ahead and pick it up whenever you can. What's going on, guys? DJ Milez here. I'm about to play some Puppeteer. Now, I know this game came out the week before Grand Theft Auto, and everyone's playing Grand Theft Auto 5. But I really think this hidden gem, this PS3 exclusive, is really cool. It's only $40. If you have some time, please go ahead and pick this up. I think this is a really cool game. And yeah, I'm going to show you some of the stuff that you can do in this. So, I don't want to give away too much spoilers, but I will be fighting the first boss in the game. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Comment, subscribe, and enjoy.
Guess I didn't give you enough credit. You're like a hero or something, right? Questing to save the princess? Why else would you have Calabrus and the Moon Knight's shield? Well, you're about 3 feet too short and 3 hours too late. But thanks. Like, seriously.
I think we may have an incident on our hands.
So, it only happens during the boss battles, but yeah, that's where all the QTs seem to happen the most in this game.
You found one of the moonstone shards. Most impressive. I knew I picked a winner. In fact, I think we're ready.
Really love how the game makes it like a big giant play. That's why you see the curtains there, and of course, if you didn't hear by now, the fans' reaction as you're playing, right? So when you do something cool, they cheer, and you know when you die, they might boo or whatever. So yeah, it's pretty cool. No, just a tiny sample of Puppeteer, so yeah, go out and play if you guys have some time.
Alas, not one soul made it safely back to Earth. Better luck next time.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.